And this video is going to be in 4x speed. So it's going to be 4 times the normal speed of the market hitting the market.
Because I was actually going to ask you, what's it like when it's in real time?
Yes.
Of how does this...
So this is going to be in real time, just a little sped up.
Yeah.
What we're going to see here is we see the area of low volume at the 56.15s, 56.10s. Here we see the volume tail at the low. And keep in mind, the level of demand was at 56.02. So here's where the market bounced off that level of demand. Here at the bounce of demand, you could see a lot of red bubbles or a lot of selling activity. And here you could even see a large passive buyer there. Again, if there's a lot of selling, who are they selling to? They're selling to these passive buyers sitting there at the level of demand. The market bounces, forms this level of low volume, and watch what happens here when we pull back. When we pull back here, 56.10, 56.11 is inside this level of low volume, but I want everybody to keep an eye on 56.10, 56.11. I'm going to zoom in a little bit more. You're going to see a lot of aggressive selling here hitting this passive buyer. So zooming in, you could see these 2 orange lines right here, 56.10.
Yeah.
Those are passive buyers in the market. Market's pulling back. Again, the concept of the strategy is putting ourselves in the position of large buyers. We can validate this by looking at this passive buyer sitting here. We know he gets filled. A lot of people say, oh, I don't look at the level 2 or I don't look at limit orders in the market because they could be spoofed. That's true, but they can't be spoofed when they actually get filled like this. In this example, we know he got filled because there's a large aggressive selling print, selling volume highlighted by this red bubble, filling the passive buyer. If he didn't get filled, we wouldn't see the volume hitting him.